Tonight I'll be staying here, the Wyndham Lake Buena Vista Hotel, right next to Disney Springs. I hear the view is incredible. Let's go. Just in case you're wondering, I'm staying at Wyndham by the lake. They gave me a king-size bed, plenty of places to charge all your devices. It really wasn't that much. I believe the rate is $120 a night, at least right now. You know, little desk here and the view of Disney Springs. There it is. They got a shuttle to all the theme parks, and they've got a huge place in the lobby, which I'll show you in just a second. This is what Disney Springs looks like from a very high hotel. When you're on the 16th floor, over there is the Swan and Dolphin Hotel. And right there is Epcot. You can see the little ball. Got helicopters in the air. And the Disney Springs balloon is up. It's a tough life traveling, man. It's a tough life. But this is what it looks like to look down upon Disney Springs. And there it is. There's the view from the elevator going down. What a life, man. When you first walk in, they give you a little sad looking R2-D2, but he's seen better days, that's for sure. This is the front lobby area. It's quite big. Check-in's right there. There it is. Breakfast, bar. I'm gonna get something to eat before I check out. Stayed at a lot of hotels. Oh, boy, it is bright. There's nothing like a hotel with a beautiful view to wake up to. The only thing, why don't you have a coffee maker in the room? I wish, I don't know why, maybe I'm from a dying breed, but I gotta have my coffee maker in the room. I like to make, even this one of them little small ones. I'll get a giant one later from your store. But I like to make a little coffee in the room, even if it's black, open up the window, check out that view, have some time to kind of meditate and just be thankful for where I'm at and then life that I'm living. Kind of crazy. Hotels, travel, and everything nice. So yeah, beautiful hotel here. I am coming back. I think I want to stay a couple days here, actually. So the Wyndham Lake Side Vista, I think that's what it's called. Let me just double check on that. Yeah, Wyndham Lake Buena Vista. It's early, you can hear it in my voice. Hope you enjoyed the little quick view. It's Jay walking the planet. Beautiful.